Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to hide Instagram posts without deleting. This can be useful if you want to keep your profile neat or if you are not ready to part with a post but want it out of view. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll through your profile and locate the post you want to hide. Once you've found it, tap on it to open. Now, tap on the three dots icon from the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select the archive option. This will hide your post from your profile without deleting it. And this is how you can hide Instagram posts without deleting it. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.